out. Squad up, we ride out.
What's up, Bird Bros? Today we are going to be finding all the keys in Prison Tycoon. Make sure to like and subscribe and smash that like button and comment what ideas we should get next. So we're looking for the keys. I have no idea where they could be. Actually, I do. But anyway, so let's head to the office and let's look on this bookshelf. You can see the interaction and the keys on the bookshelf. So I grab that key. Where should we head next? Wait, oh, check in here. Control center. Make sure you shut the door. Oh, look, just be quiet. The guard's sleeping. Take the key. Boom, our second key. So, head on. Grab all these keys they place in. Look up that there. Don't mess with the bird, bro. Oh, took some damage. Not as much as him. But okay, let's check in here. I have a feeling. Ooh. We found it. Okay, we found a key card at least. But what is this guy doing? How dare you? Don't mess with the bird, bro. But dead. Take it down. Take the key card. Oh, the guard doesn't know where we are. Shush, we're gonna ambush him. Sneak attack! Okay. So let's head over to here. If you do it, then you will find the key card. We'll show you. Let's do a trick slide. Oh yay! Okay, in here we go. Oh, ran into the fence. My bad. Ugh. Okay, here's this new key in the secret area. Must find that. Very easy. Okay, let's come down here. Let's outside. Ooh, look, basketball players. Ooh, these tough guys. They're still not tough enough to beat the bird, bro, though. There it is, our fourth key. Let's continue and head somewhere new. Don't mess with those guys, trust me. In a new video, we will show how you get up to that helicopter and do some cool escapes. My top is like 4 escapes. Let's hit the birdie. We're gonna grab some points and get some money. Well, we did birdie. Okay, get some more money. Money. Got our keys. Look how much keys we got. Okay, we're gonna do some money buying. Pool. Anyone want to play pool? Comment down below. In fact, do you guys play pool? Comment down below if you play pool. Speaking of pool, let's dive in this deep pool. Okay, we got our 6th key, I think. No, 5th. Anyway, money. Let's head down here. Actually, nah. Let's. Where should we head next, you guys? Ooh, plant. You must find a plant. It's actually the easiest. Anyway, I feel like a barbecue. Comment down below what your favorite barbecue item is. Anyway, don't want money. Can't buy that. Ooh, the key. Near the barbecue. And that's how you find all the keys. Bird Bros, out.
Bird Bros make 'em ball. Some get small, but we don't slow down. Bird Bros make 'em ball.